The flat glossy sides of the Xiaomi 13 have a real iPhone vibe, which is definitely not bad. We personally think it's a great look. You won't be mistaking the Xiaomi 13 for an Apple product anytime soon, since it has a distinctive rear camera. The Xiaomi 13 has a gorgeous 6.36-inch AMOLED display at its helm. It has a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, which at this diagonal works out to a very crisp and sharp. It also has excellent HDR support. The display offers support for all the major HDR standards, HDR10, HDR10+, HLG and Dolby Vision. The display definitely has enough brightness to deliver on those lofty HDR promises as well. The Xiaomi 13 has a 120Hz refresh rate display, and a very smart and well-optimized system to manage its refresh rate dynamically. When we say dynamically, we still mean in fairly coarse steps. The Xiaomi 13 is running the company's latest MIUI 14 on top of Android 13. This new OS combo promises, among other things, major performance improvements and optimizations. This is all wrapped up in what Xiaomi calls Project Razor. This smartphone packs the latest and greatest flagship chipset Qualcomm has to offer. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It has an octa-core CPU configuration with one primary Cortex-X3 core, clocked at up to 3.2 GHz. The Xiaomi 13 has a fancy new camera system. The camera setup is the product of a collaboration with Leica, and yes, there is a telephoto camera this time around. The primary camera on the Xiaomi 13 is a 50MP unit based on the Sony IMX800 sensor. The 12MP ultra-wide camera on our unit appears to be based on the OmniVision OV13V10. This is actually the same sensor as on the Xiaomi 12. We have the 10MP telephoto, based on the Samsung S5K3K1 sensor, which is same sensor behind the Galaxy S23 Plus. There is a full array of sensors on board, including an accelerometer and gyroscope combo, a light sensor, a proximity sensor, a compass and magnetometer combo. It also has support for both SA and NSA networks. This smartphone has a decently sized 4500 mAh battery at its disposal. Battery endurance is one area in which the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset has managed to prove its worth. The Xiaomi 13 can charge at a rate of up to 67 watts, using proprietary Xiaomi charging tech. It also features support for Power Delivery 3.0 and Quick Charge 4. The Xiaomi 13 is a very well-rounded flagship offer. Xiaomi seems to have taken plenty of notes coming from the previous generation Xiaomi 12. The 13 is a very sturdy and well-made device, now with the important addition of IP68 ingress protection. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.